Struggling with expensive Adobe software? What if I told you there are 7 free AI tools that can replace Photoshop, Premiere, and more? Hello guys, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you 7 AI tools every designer must know, all free and beginner-friendly. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'll share some honest advice that can be super useful for your design workflow. Tool 1. Canva. AI lets you create logos, social media posts, and thumbnails in seconds. No Photoshop needed. Even beginners can make professional designs instantly. Tool 2. Remove.bg. These tools let you remove backgrounds, clean images, and adjust photos instantly. Tool 3. Night Cafe Studio generates unique illustrations, concept art, and creative assets in minutes, perfect for thumbnails or client mockups without any paid software. Tool 4. Pictory.ai converts scripts or text into short videos, complete with voiceovers. Tool 5. Coolers.co. These tools help you pick colors, font combos, and palettes automatically. Tool 6. Copy.ai generates captions, ad copy, or social media text for your posts. Tool 7. Smartmockups.com lets you create professional product mockups instantly.
Here's how I combine these tools. Canva AI for base designs, Remove.bg for clean assets, Night Cafe for illustrations, Pictory for social videos. This stack replaces expensive software and speeds up your workflow. Many beginners rely solely on AI. That's a mistake. Always refine designs manually, check proportions, and avoid overusing AI templates. Tools assist, they don't replace creativity. My honest advice: start small, pick 2-3 tools first. Learn their strengths, combine them, and always practice your creative skills. Free AI tools are powerful, but your design thinking is what sets you apart. Links to all tools are in the description. Check them out.